Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Is Fortnite crashing on your Windows 10 or 11 PC? Don't worry, here are quick fixes to get you back in the game. First of all, ensure no background apps are causing conflicts. Open Task Manager, close unnecessary apps, and relaunch Fortnite. After that, check for Windows Update. Go to Settings, click Windows Update, and install any pending updates. Updated drivers and systems can prevent crashes. Then verify Fortnite's game files. Open the Epic Games launcher, go to your library, click the three dots next to Fortnite, and select Verify. This fixes corrupted files. Lower your graphics settings. In game, reduce settings like textures, shadows, and effects to ease the load on your PC. Finally, set Fortnite to use your dedicated GPU. In graphics settings, find Fortnite and assign it to your high performance GPU. With these steps, you should be crash free and back to enjoy Fortnite. Like and subscribe for more gaming fixes.